What is going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, we had a great day today. Me and the wife did. Went to a car show this morning, a little bit of a Michigan Avenue cruise. You guys seen the video on that. And I would like to thank Carmob and Mrs. Carmob for having a great gathering today. We had an awesome party, awesome food, awesome fireworks thanks to the Sublime. You guys are awesome, and I appreciate you, and my wife appreciates you. We had a fantastic time, and you guys that couldn't make it, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. We had a good time and good food. I'm telling you what, I won't have to eat for a week. Guys, enjoy the fireworks. And again, Carmob and Miss Carmob, thank you so much.
You're welcome, neighbors.